will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Asphalt app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down, you keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Asphalt app, or just click on search. Then here at Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So will you find here Asphalt app, it's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find update, you just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.